Hello kids, I'm your Vanita ma'am. Today we are going to do revision of term assessment for grade 3 in SST. Let's begin children the revision from lesson number 7, our festivals. As children we know that there are three types of festivals in India. National festivals. Which are the national festivals? Let's recall. Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th August every year since 1947. Then second is Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th January every year since 1950, and Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 2nd October every year as a birthday of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. So children, these three are the national festival which are celebrated in our entire nation on the same day. In New Delhi, Independence Day and Republic Day are celebrated. Then children's second type of festival is religious festival, which is based on different religions like Hindu, Islam, Sikh, Christians, and Parsis. You can see these examples of Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, Durga Puja. These are Hindu festival. Guru Parab is a Sikh festival. Buddha Purnima is a festival based on Buddha religion. Christian celebrate Christmas, and Islamic people celebrate Eid ul Fitr. Children, you can see this is a pic of our Prime Minister addressing the nation on 15th August. He is Mahatma Gandhi, our father of the nation. His birthday is celebrated on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. This is a Republic Day parade which is held on Rajpath Road in New Delhi. Apart from these children, there are some great leaders' birthday which are celebrated in our country, like celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November every year. And Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated on 5th September as Teachers' Day. Then you can look at this picture. This is a Christmas celebration festival where Christmas tree is there in kept in churches as well as in homes, decorated beautifully. Shanta brings a gift for all the children, right? This is effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad. It is believed that there was a victory of good over evil. Since that time, this Vijayadashmi or Dashera is celebrated after 9 days of Navratri. This is a festival of Raksha Bandhan where a sister ties Rakhi to his brother and prays for his well-being. In return, brother also protects her. This is a picture of Eid or Ramzan Eid or Eid ul Fitr, you can say. This is a mosque. People offer namaz. They prepare a special kind of sweet dish called sivaya. They sacrifice goats and sheep on this day. This is a picture of Guru Parab. It is celebrated as birthday of the 10 Sikh Gurus. And children, this is a third type of festival, Harvest Festival. Harvest Festival marks the change of seasons. In Assam, the season which marks the change is called Bihu. It is celebrated with great pomp and joy. Second is Pongal. It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Children, it is a 3-day festival celebrated. And on the first day, a rain god is worshipped. On the second day, sun god is worshipped. On the third day, kettles are worshipped. A special kind of rice is prepared. And the same festival is celebrated in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, which is also called as Shankranti. You can look, this is a Bihu dance of Assam. Here, the ladies are preparing Pongal rice in the matka. This is a Baisakhi dance, which is celebrated every year on 13th April in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. This is a snake boat race held during Onam. So what did we learn from this lesson, children? Let's recall. There are three types of festival in India: national, religious, and harvest. The three national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The important religious festivals are Diwali, Dashera, Durga Puja, Eid, Holi, Buddha Purnima, Guru Parbs, and festivals that are harvest festivals are Bihu, Pongal, Onam, and Baisakhi. Now let's revise our next chapter, children. Our occupations. Let us first understand what is occupation, children. Any work which helps us to earn money is called an occupation, and it is selected on the basis of their skill and physical strength. So there are different kinds of occupation. People work as a teacher, doctor, farmer, scientist, shopkeeper, carpenters, and etc. Let us start with here. First is farming. Children, farming is the main occupation of India, and it is mostly carried out in villages. They grow food grains, vegetables, fruits in the fields or orchards. They also grow cotton, sugarcane, tea, jute, etc. Children, farming requires water for irrigation, and it is dependent on the climate and the type of soil. Next is children, cattle farming. Cattle like cows and buffaloes are kept in big farms for milk purposes. This is called dairy farming. Bullocks plow the field, children. Then this is a occupation of a teacher. You can look at this picture. The job occupation of teacher is teaching the student. The occupation of farmer is to plow the field and grow the crops. The occupation of a doctor is to examine the sick and cure cure them, right? The occupation of a grocer is to sell the grocery items and earn money. So children, you can look at this picture. It's a farmer plowing in the field. Then apart from this, children, there are forest related farming also, a forest related occupation also. This is a rubber tree, children. A cut is given on the rubber tree and a white liquid flows out, which is called as latex. It is collected in the buckets and supplied to the factories where rubbers are made. People also cut wood and sell it for earning purpose, and this wood are used for preparing wooden boxes in which vegetables, fruits, or any eatable items are packed and sent to far off places. And as well as matchboxes. Furnitures are also made, children, right, out of wood. Then poultry farming, hen, ducks, and chicks are kept on at one place, and this place is called poultry farm. So the eggs you can see here this way. This is a poultry farm. The eggs which are laid is kept at one place, and then they are supplied to the marketplaces for selling. Children, this is fishing. Fishing, you can look at this. This is the from western to eastern part and southern part of India, where it is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. So this entire which I have shaded is the coastal area. So fishing is the main occupation in coastal area in India, and fish are the main source of food in coastal area. To earn money, fish are salted and packed in tins for selling at far off places. And children, the cultivation of fish is done in artificial ponds. You can look at this picture. These are artificial ponds in which fishes are kept like this, and whenever they require, they take out from it and for commercial use, and this is called pisciculture. Next is children, mining. Mining is done in the area where the large deposits of minerals are found. There are two kinds of minerals, children: metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals means gold, silver, iron, copper, tin, etc. And non-metallic mineral means marbles, limestones, coal, diamonds, pearls, etc. We get iron and other metals from these minerals to make products like bicycles, sewing machines, railway coaches, etc. Right? Children, you can look, these are all pictures of mining industries, not but mining places from where raw material is collected and then supplied to the factories through transport. This is a graphite mining company in India. The graphite is used to make lead of the pencils, right? These are iron ores which are supplied to the factories to make iron. These are gold mines, children, from where gold is extracted this way, processed, and then sent to the goldsmith. This is a marble mining. You can see the machinery is giving a cut and the marble plates are cut off this way. Mining industry in India is in Rajasthan. Children, let's go through the define or word power. Latex is a thick white liquid produced by rubber tree. Occupation is any activity that is done to earn money. Irrigation, act of watering crops in field. Mining is the act of taking out mineral from the earth. Poultry is a place where chickens, ducks, etc. are kept for their meat and eggs. Extract means to take out, and jaggery means the raw form of sugar. It is very rich in minerals, children. Then let us recall what did we learn from this lesson. People do many activities to earn money. Farming is the most important occupation of our country. Fishing is the most important occupation in coastal area. Mining is the main occupation in states that are rich in minerals, and many occupation depends on agriculture, forest, fishing and mining. Let's revise lesson number 9, means of transport. Children, there are three means of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. The means of land transport are bus, car, truck, train, scooter, bicycle, bike and etc. And the means of water transport are boat, steamer and submarine. Submarine, children, is used for protecting our water boundaries. Then third is air transport. Helicopters and airplanes are used for distant places, right, children? So we cannot use the same means of transport to go to all the places. The means of transport we use depends on the distance we need to travel and the money we can afford to spend. So we use different means of transport for reaching different places, right, children? To if you want to go to school, then you go by bus, or nearby places you go by bicycle, scooter. Then if you want to go to neighboring cities, you go by bus, car, scooter or train. If you want to go far off places, for example Kolkata, Chennai, Assam, then we use train or aeroplane. If you want to go to another country, we go by ship or aeroplane. Then children, you can see here, this is a land transport, this is a land transport, this is a air transport, water transport, land transport, air transport, land transport and land transport. So these are the means of different modes of transport. These are also examples of land transport vehicle, water transport vehicle and air transport vehicles, right, children? So let's now see further this. As we know, children, India is blessed with different physical divisions. So we also have desert. How do we travel in desert? We travel on camels. So camels are also called as sheep of the desert. We travel in forest on elephants. Then to hilly or mountain areas, trolleys or ropeways are used to climb. People also use mules and ponies to places where even trolleys are not there. So they use mules or ponies. Then children, let's recall this and learn the word power. Airport is a place where airplanes lands and take off. Mule is an animal that has a horse and a donkey as a parent, used especially for carrying loads. So we learned about the means of transport, right? These are the different means of transport. If you have any doubt, children, still you can ask to your subject teacher. And thank you for watching the video. Best of luck for your exams.